Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application, and of course your headphones should be turned on and connected to your phone. Then the application open for you headphones menu, and you need to go to the sound at the middle top. Right here we have Equalizer Preset, so you may need to scroll to the left and you will find customization. A button with the plus icon, click at this icon, and now we can make some preset also. If you want to have a default preset and then work with it, just click reset, and now we use a default preset. We can also customize some of these presets. You can say, let's say, Bass Boost. You can select it and then switch to customization, and now we have Bass Boost preset. So I wanna reset it, and now we can make something good here. So let's say that's okay for me. After you finish it, click Save to save this new preset. Give it a name, let's call it Test. OK. And now, as you can see, we have Test preset, and we can create more than one preset. You can also remove this preset if you don't need this. Just click at the preset, and then at the right top, click Delete. In this window, I mean. And we remove it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.